I guess I have no intro, but hello everyone. Today we're playing Airplane Story, and with...
Yes, today we're playing Airplane Story, and we have me, the most amazing Savannah ever.
Savannah, where the heck are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, yeah, we have our friend Maddie with us today. Say hi, Maddie. Wait, get Maddie closer to the mic.
How dare you be calling me Michael?
Who, me? Oh, Maddie. Okay, let's get on one. Everyone get on gate B. Everyone get on gate B. Everyone in. I like how y'all are in the front. That's them up there, and then just me back here.
Always an outcast.
Wait, I didn't notice Maddie was right beside me. Oh, we're going.
On the other side of the plane. Chicken nuggets.
What are your seats? Mine's B6. I got B6, y'all.
I got F7. Where's my thing at? I don't know. Can't find my seat.
Don't be barking, that's rude.
Where's my seat at?
I don't know.
It won't. Okay. Ooh.
Tell me where your seat is.
Oh yeah, we have a. If y'all watch Linky Box, who's better? Foxy or BOXY? Or yeah, Foxy or BOXY?
Foxy is way better.
Did you say Foxy?
BOXY is way better.
No, Foxy. Foxy all the way.
Have you found your seat yet, Savannah?
No.
You're gonna die.
I can't find my seat.
You're gonna die.
Why find me a VIP? Where's my seat at?
Y'all are gonna die. I don't know about y'all, but y'all are gonna die.
F7. We're 7.
Y'all, so they're gonna give you a sandwich.
I found it.
Oh, where?
Here.
Okay, we are all sitting now.
I don't know.
I took another thumbnail pic.
Get off.
I'm like, literally every single time I try to get my seat because there's like a countdown in your seat, I can never get my seat.
That's offensive. Muggle. Me casually muggle.
I just took another thumbnail pic.
I don't know. You need to be at my seat. You need to be at my seat. Okay, I'm back here.
I took another thumbnail pic. Because you can never have enough thumbnail pics. Am I right?
I love how none of us are like you're reading. Good, I was for reading.
Thank you. Get ready. I got a crew prepared to death for everybody.
Y'all don't eat it.
Savannah, I think you should eat
Why not?
Because you're gonna die.
Delicious sandwiches.
Enjoy.
I don't trust it.
It's poisonous.
You all put it there, and then yours gets poisoned.
I'm not eating it.
I only trust sandwiches. I only trust ravioli and pizza and chicken nugget.
I only had enough for one chicken nugget. I didn't eat it, no. Plus it's
I'm not feeling very well.
dreaming,
Oh,
BB.
no. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo!
Oh no. That is very tragic, my dude.
Oh no! Quickly, we need to find removable baggage for medicine. Nobody find it! Nobody find it!
Let her die.
One that I am, that's mine.
Let her die! No one find it! Let her die!
I said it too.
I wonder if people actually need to listen to us.
Someone just said okay.
Okay. We're gonna let this person die. We're such nice people.
Maddie's just like standing there, just chilling. Hi, Maddie. Maddie, I see
I
you.
found hippo bricks.
Hi, Maddie. I just am staring you.
Mine.
I'm just like staring at Maddie.
I found those.
Don't find her. Don't go through.
I hate you. I hate you. Dreaming BB, if you're watching this, I hate you. Dreaming BB, if you're watching this, I hate you.
Oh my God. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. I'll gladly go lock myself in the bathroom and cry.
Wait, let me get back into my seat.
I'll gladly go to the bathroom and cry.
Y'all, this is the part where the snakes come, I think.
Good night, people.
Snakes, yay!
Hi.
Y'all, go to the back. If you don't want the snakes to get you, you gotta go to the back.
Still a few hours to go.
I want to watch the snakes. They're adorable.
They're gonna kill you.
Maddie, hurry, come to the back now if you want to die.
Is that even the back?
Look for the
Whatever.
bathrooms.
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Is this the back?
I'm in the back right now.
Oh, y'all, go to the restrooms. Y'all, it's in the middle. In the middle.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Y'all, if you don't want to die, go to the middle.
Am I in the middle? I'm not sure.
You will not survive.
Yeah. Are those snakes? Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
No, get away from me. No, get away from me.
Following me.
They can't get me because I'm on top of a cabinet. Parkour! We need an open restroom. Totally not creepy at all the wrong going inside the restroom.
Literally, I'm about to die. They're not open. The heck?
Where is Zoe? She's still alive.
Oh, we just died. That is not good on my resume. Well, guys, that was the end of this video. As you can see, we cannot play story games. So, please like, comment, share, subscribe.